Hello students, good morning. Welcome to your English class 10th with your English teacher Nalini Sharma. Today children, I am going to start your new poem, The Ball Poem. The name of the poem is The Ball Poem, composed by John Berryman. John Berryman was an American poet who was born on 25th October 1914. He did many works in poetry and was awarded with Pulitzer Prize, that is for poetry, and that was awarded in 1969, and he passed away. He died on 7th January 1972. This poem, though is as named about ball, but is having a very deep inner meaning in it. Ball is symbolized as childhood, the innocence, the carefree period of a person of his life, the golden period which is called of a person. That childhood is compared with ball. Ball is symbolized as a childhood. A child was playing with a ball. The ball jumped, bounced, and fell into the harbor. The boy is standing beside it and was very much grieved, depressed, sad, full of grief over the loss of his ball. As you know, ball or any toy for a child is as precious as anything can be. Anything very precious can be for a grown up. So ball is lost. Now here the poet is wanting to give the idea that there is no use to come forward and try to console this child for the loss of his ball, because howsoever a person will try to console him to give the another ball, or try to console him that ball can never becoming back to him, but the boy can't be consoled at any rate. The inner meaning of this poem is that the child ball, which is taken as childhood here, that the childhood once gone can never come back, howsoever the money, the possessions, the owning of a person acquired, but cannot get the period of childhood again in his life. So the poet is here wanting to convey the message to the people of this world that along with achievements, along with owning, along with acquirements, we have to prepare ourselves as strong as we can face, we can tolerate the loss also, because loss and gain both are part of a coin. If gain is there, loss also have to be faced. This is law, it cannot be changed. So the same thing the poet is wanting to make the boy aware about, that he has to leave the depression. He has to make himself so much smart, so much strong, so much capable to face the loss also in his life. He is wanting to just impart the epistemology of loss to this child. So it's a very nice poem, very interesting, and also very didactic poem. This was the central idea of the poem. part 1. In my next video, I will explain the poem word by word. Thank you. Till then, bye.